In this video, we will know that how to download and how to install Ethernet driver, your LAN driver, how to download and how to install. In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, launch any browser on your Windows and after that type here under search box your laptop name like a Lenovo laptop. If you have Dell, type here Dell laptop. If you have HP, type here HP, and we have only Lenovo laptop. Type here laptop Lenovo driver download. Type here this and press enter from the keyboard. And now guys, click here this first link, driver and software, and after that guys, enter your laptop serial number here. If you have, type here, and if you don't have, we will find it. So minimize this window, and after that guys, click here start button and click here run. Type here cmd and /k this command here, same as it is. Okay, type here this command and click here OK button. This is your laptop serial number here. Okay, now copy this serial number and open the browser and enter here. Right click and paste. Enter your serial number and click here arrow button. After that guys, click here select driver manual update. Now operating system select here. If you use Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you use this ARM, select ARM. And if you use Windows 10, click here and select this checkbox. Now scroll down and find here LAN driver, Ethernet driver in this list. So if don't find here, you can search, enter Ethernet and press enter. Search. This is your LAN driver, Ethernet driver. Okay. If you don't find, search here. Click on it. And after that guys, click here this software. This is your LAN driver. Download it. Recommend it. Click here download. So guys, now open download folder. After download complete, this is your driver. Okay, right click on it and click here run as administrator. Now minimize and click here OK. Next button, and guys select this and checkbox and click next. Next, don't change here anything, and now install. Click here next button. Now click here finish button. Ready to use. This is complete installation. Now after that restart your machine. Okay, after complete this installation, restart your PC or laptop. Okay, now restart. Click here finish, and now we check this is installed or not properly. Restart. After restart, now open. This is your network connected here. Now we check if it is installed or not properly. Click here start button and click here settings. Click here network and internet option. Now click here Ethernet, change adapter option. So guys, you can see here your network adapter get downloaded and installed properly here. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.